Hello, Vanakkam. Welcome to Arivala FM podcast channel brought up by Bharati Educational Institution, Reddipatti, Namakkal. Arivalayan Alaigalil Midappom. This audio mirchi platform is full of learning and extraordinary knowledge. So don't miss. Stay tuned. தொடர்ந்து இணைந்திருப்போம். இது உங்களுக்கான பாரதியின் அறிவலை பாட்காஸ்ட். Hello, friends and happy families. I know everybody is eagerly waiting to celebrate Pongal. So, wish you all a happy Pongal. And today I want to speak about celebrations. Why celebration is important in our life. As you all know, celebrating festivals and events in schools has become an integral part of learning and building a strong cultural belief in a child. An important day is remembered by a child only when they understand the significance of the occasion. Apart from classroom activities, we also celebrate festivals and events in order to familiarize the child with our country's culture and traditions. Such celebrations will bring children closer to our traditions and cultural beliefs. A close bond is built between children as they understand each other's customs. India being a diverse country, children need to know what each festival means, and it is only through these celebrations that the children will get to know more about our country. Today, festivals are like sale seasons and big discount days. We know more of local and regional festivals today than ever before. Like example, Varalakshmi Puja, Vinayagar Chaturthi, Pongal, and many more. Than the regular ones like Ganesha Chaturthi, Christmas, Eid, Janmashtami, simply because they are bumper days in the kitty of a marketing head. But how much do we really know about our festivals and their importance? How much of it can we actually pass on to our kids is the highlights here. Do you understand? We elders usually have a habit of celebrating, but what is the use behind us? Only to make our children to follow our customs and religions. Am I right? Yes. What can be done during those days? Nowadays we are more and more busy, families getting smaller with single kids and no siblings. We need to reflect and recreate the magic of growing up in innocent times by strengthening their imaginations. Let's share our cultural and local foods and celebrate the big and small of every festival. Let's fill our children's life with all the wonderful stories and moral values. We can dress up our kids, dress up our homes, look up the internet and try to recreate the magic that just the way it was when we were little. Being knowledgeable definitely has a thrill to do it. Am I right? Yes, apart from building relationships and friendships, such celebration will bring happiness, love among children, friends, and family. Listeners, I strongly believe that though festivals are an expensive way to celebrate glorious heritage, culture, and traditions, they are meant to rejoice special moments and emotions in our lives with our loved ones. Do you agree? Yes. And not only that, it also relieves us from monotony of life. Festivals teach us forget enmity and embrace one another and create bond of love and environment of cultural harmony. So this is a real fact that festival make us forget our sorrows in life. They act like stress relievers and help us balance our emotions. More positivity naturally lowers negativity. It also provides an opportunity to reduce stress and bring a great happiness to our life. So, my dear listeners, now let me wish you all a happy Pongal, an auspicious festival where we thank the sun god and Lord Indra for helping the farmers to grow and yield better crops throughout the years. Thank you to all.